All right, 23 DCCR 0319 on Lupe Gomez. I've got Mr. Nichols here for the state. Mr. Radford is here. Sir, you, Lupe Gomez.
I'm sorry?
Is your name Lupe Gomez?
I'm the non-corporate
What?
third-party intervener, cross-plaintiff, superior lien holder, to be prepared by special disruptive visitation and not by general appearance.
Can you do this? Can you come around and have them so I can see better?
You want us off the bench, huh?
Yeah, y'all can all come up here. Okay.
So I have a couple questions.
No, well, hold on. You don't get to ask questions. I'm going to ask the questions. Mr. Gomez.
Happen until all parties are identified into the record.
All right. So, Mr. Tell me again who you are. Who are you saying
I'm
you
a
are?
non-corporate third-party intervener, here by special disruptive visitation and not by general appearance, under duress by the means of threat, coercion, and kidnapping.
Okay. Have you ever been known by the name of, in the past, Lupe Gomez?
Will you state your name for the record, please? And will you order the prosecutor to state his name for the record? And do either one of you have a claim against him?
We do have a claim against you. My name is Raquel West. I'm the judge of the 252nd District Court. This is Mr. Luke Nichols. He's one of the assistant district attorneys in my court. Mr. Radford is here representing you.
Okay.
There's an indictment. There's a motion to quash. Mr. Radford has filed that we're here for today. I'm going to take judicial notice of the court's file, which includes numerous documents, including a indictment, the probable cause affidavit, other identifying information that does identify you as Mr. Lupe Gomez. And I'm going to make the finding at this time that you are, for purposes of...
That was pure chaos. You can literally see the judge recalculating her life choices in real time. The frustration, palpable. Disbelief, written all over her face. Meanwhile, Lupe isn't even trying to defend himself. He's not presenting arguments. He's just rejecting reality, as if it's something he can opt out of. This is sovereign citizen delusion at its finest. Bold, bizarre, and completely disconnected from how the legal system actually works.
April 29th of 2024. And Mr. Nichols, you may call your first witness with regard to the suppression.
State calls Officer Chad Morrison.
Would you please call the name?
Officer Chad Morrison. No response, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Nichols.
Your Honor, I have no other witnesses in this time for this hearing. The state rests and make a statement on the record.
Yes, you may.
Your Honor, I was in contact with Officer Morrison last week. He is formerly of Port Arthur Police Department. He now is with a different agency in the greater Houston area. He indicated he is on injury leave at the moment and would not be appearing for this hearing. He was also on injury leave and was unable to appear last time we were set for this hearing, approximately 2 months ago, maybe in May. So that at this point, the state has no other option but to rest in this hearing and present no other evidence.
All right. Anything, Mr. Radford?
No, ma'am.
Well, based on that, then, unfortunately, I have no choice at this point, which is unfortunate that the officer won't comply with showing up, but I'm going to grant the motion to suppress evidence in the case based on the fact that there's no evidence today presented. Is there anything else, Mr. Radford?
Would ask that the court dismiss the case, but I think Mr. Nichols is already prepared now.
I'll tender dismissal to the court, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gomez, I have granted Mr. Radford's motion to suppress because the officer didn't show up. What that means is there's obviously no evidence that would be able to be presented in your case. Mr. Nichols, it looks like, is going to present a dismissal based on the fact that there won't be any evidence, and I'm going to sign that. Your case will be dismissed.
Know what's wild? Whole case collapsed. All because the cop didn't show up. Not once, but twice. No witness, no evidence, no case. Meanwhile, Lupe is sitting there looking smug like he just outsmarted the entire system. But let's be clear, this wasn't a win. It was a technical fail.
With the bailiff.
The bond money, being that the case has been dismissed, the bond money needs to be returned.
Did you pay a cash
I
bond?
paid cash, $5,000.
But you're back in custody.
You're right. But I still pay. The case is this.
Yeah, that you can take that up with the district clerk once you're released. All right.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, if you'll please get me an order, I'm going to make a notation on this, but if you'll send me an order.
Now Lupe wants his bond money back. Bro, you were calling yourself a holder in due course just 5 minutes ago. Let the clerk handle it. You've done enough courtroom freelancing for one day.
1 second.
All right, thank you. Mr. Cleese, why did you smoke pot? Why would you do that when you know you're coming to court for a second-degree felony offense? It's common sense that you're on bond for a felony and you're coming to felony court. No one should have to tell you to follow the law, right? I'm going to raise your bond it is a bond condition that you follow the law. So when you made bond, part of your conditions was that you follow the law. You haven't followed the law. I'm going to raise your bond in your case. What was the bond that you...
This guy really came to court high while out on bond for a felony. It's like he thought the judge was going to give him a gold star for honesty. But let's be real, sir. You're not just in trouble, you're in danger.